So I have all these chilies I'm gonna make into some hot sauce.
Here are my pepper plants, and this is what I'm gonna be using.
I'm gonna add some garlic, onion, and a couple tomatoes and roast them in the oven. I put 1 onion, 2 heads of garlic, all those chilies, and 2 small tomatoes. Now I'm gonna broil it in the oven until it gets some color on it. All right, so I pulled these out of the oven and let them cool down because I didn't want them to explode when I put them in the blender. Now I'm gonna blend it. I put about a cup of water in there to help it blend better. I was wrong before. I put half a cup of water in there. It needed more liquid, so I put a half cup of vinegar in there. All right, I have it in the pot. I'm gonna further cook this down. I added another half a cup of vinegar and a half cup of distilled water. We're just gonna let this cook down. It was a little bit thick, that's why I added the liquid to it. We're gonna let it cook down. Then we're gonna see if it needs anything else. Gonna go ahead and add a half a tablespoon of kosher salt and mix that in. So it's been simmering for an hour. I'm gonna pull it off and let it cool down. We'll probably add a cup of water to help it cool down, and because it's pretty thick. Once it cools down, I'm gonna put it back in the blender and puree it longer before sifting it. I lied, this is half cup water, half cup vinegar, just to kind of thin it out and help it cool down before puree it some more in the food processor. I added 3 tablespoons of sugar and I'm going to push it through this mesh strainer. There are all the seeds left over, and there is the good stuff. It tastes like Sriracha sauce. That's it. It made 1 big bottle and 3 tiny repurposed bottles.